Taking a strong note of the situation on the streets of the national capital, the Delhi High Court has stated that it cannot allow another 1984 riot in the capital. The High Court also played videos of BJP leaders making hate speech inside the court, which allegedly led to the mob attacks in northeast Delhi and dragged the police for delaying action. Take a look.
Delhi continues to remain on high alert. The national capital has been marred by violence. Mobs have spilled onto the streets, by-lanes and interior lanes in residential areas. And because of the violence, a safe passage to ferry victims to the hospital could not be created. An advocate named Surud Mandar filed a petition over grievously injured victims of the riot in northeast Delhi were not being able to be transported from Al Hind Hospital in Mustafabad to a hospital equipped with better medical facilities. Midnight hearing at Justice Muralidhar's residence. After the plea was mentioned, G.S. Sistani, a senior-most judge of the Delhi High Court, ordered for an urgent hearing at Justice Muralidhar's residence. The petition was heard by Justice Muralidhar and Anup Jairam Bambani, who ordered that police must deploy forces as its command and ensure victims get treated. The court at this stage is primarily concerned with ensuring the safety of the lives of the injured and provide immediate medical attention. The court accordingly directs Delhi police to ensure such safe passage by deploying all the resources at its command and on the strength of this order, and to ensure that apart from the safe passage, the injured victims receive immediate emergency treatment. The case was again heard in the Delhi High Court on Wednesday at 2:15 p.m. But before the matter was scheduled for hearing, the Delhi police issued a shoot-at-sight order in northeast Delhi, which is on high alert. The schools in the vicinity was also shut and the CBSE exams were postponed. A bench comprising of Justices S.K. Kaul and K.M. Joseph heard the matter at the Supreme Court. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta asked the Supreme Court not to make any adverse observations relating to Delhi violence, as it will demoralize police force. Police doesn't have to wait for orders if someone makes inflammatory statements but act in accordance with law. The Apex Court disposed the applications relating to the clashes and said that the Delhi High Court would take note of the matter. Bench comprising of Justice Muralidhar and Justice Talwant Singh heard the matter in Delhi High Court. The bench comprising of Justice Muralidhar and Justice Talwant Singh asks a police officer present whether he has seen the videos of BJP leaders making inflammatory speeches. Justice Muralidhar orders that a clip of BJP leader Kapil Mishra leading a group of pro-CA protesters which led to the riots to break out to be played in court. Delhi High Court asked the Solicitor General to advise Delhi Police Commissioner on lodging of FIRs against alleged hate speeches by 3 BJP leaders. Delhi High Court applauds Delhi Police's efforts in evacuating injured in violence-hit areas Tuesday night. Delhi High Court asked highest functionaries in both state and central government to personally meet the victims and their families. This is the time to show that Z security is for everyone. We can't let another 1984 scenario happen in the city, not under the watch of this court. We heard that one IB officer has been attacked. These things should be immediately looked into. This shows that a lot can happen when the authorities are willing to take action. It's an actual demonstration of how police officers are waiting for the orders to act. The court also ordered to set up round-the-clock help desks in offices of district legal services authorities to cater to the immediate needs of victims. The court asked Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia to visit affected areas and compensate victims. The court also observed that victims of violence must be compensated and Delhi government should allay fears. The court has directed for a 24/7 help desks in the offices of all district legal services authorities. The court directed Delhi police to continue to respond with same efficiency which you showed after receiving this court's midnight order. The court has asked authorities to ensure during the funerary activities of the deceased. Court observed the need of the hour is to build confidence building measures. State functionaries shall endeavour to meet the affected persons and reassure them of their security. Court directs Delhi government to ensure sufficient shelter homes for rehabilitation of displaced victims, and they shall be provided with adequate amenities blankets, clean water, and sanitation. The Delhi High Court also asked the Solicitor General to advise Police Commissioner Amulya Patnaik on lodging of FIRs against alleged hate speeches by BJP leaders Anurag Thakur, Parvesh Sahib Singh, and Kapil Mishra. The matter is set to be heard again on the 28th of February. Meanwhile, the Kejriwal government has a daunting task at hand to restore normalcy in the national capital. A News 9 report.